In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with mondaycom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the integration process step by step. First, you'll want to select your board. Begin by opening the specific mondaycom board where you'd like your Asana tasks to appear. This could be your main project board or a dedicated team task board, whatever suits your workflow best. Next, we need to access the Integration Center. To do this, look for the Integrate button, which resembles a plug icon, located at the top right of your screen. Once you click that, you'll be taken into the integration panel where all your options await. Now it's time to find Asana in this panel. Use the search bar at the top and type in Asana. Select it from the list of available apps that appears. This step connects the two platforms, allowing you to set up the integration. After selecting Asana, you'll want to choose a template. This means you'll pick an integration template or automation rule that fits your workflow seamlessly. For instance, you might select the option that says, "When a task is created in Asana, create an item on this board." This example illustrates how the integration will work in a practical context. Now it's time to connect your account. Click the Connect button and a prompt will appear asking you to log into your Asana account. Make sure to log in and authorize mondaycom to access your Asana workspace. This is an essential step because it links your accounts and allows data to flow between them. Once you've connected your account, we move on to mapping the fields. This is a critical step in the process where you'll align your Asana data with your Monday columns. Take a moment to decide which Asana fields you'd like to map. For example, you can decide that the task name in Asana should align with a specific column in Monday, such as task name, or map the due date in Asana to a corresponding due date column in Monday. This ensures that relevant data transfers correctly between the two platforms. Finally, once you've done all the necessary mapping, it's time to activate your integration. Click on the Add to Board button to finalize the setup and bring everything together. With this, your Asana tasks should now start appearing in the designated board in mondaycom. To summarize, integrating Asana with mondaycom involves selecting your board, accessing the Integration Center, finding Asana, choosing a suitable template, connecting your account, mapping fields accurately, and activating the integration. Following these steps can significantly enhance your workflow by streamlining how tasks are managed across these platforms. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using project management tools effectively.